Hey there, my planner friends, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel, Beloved Plans. I was printing out my May pages to set up my planner for the month of May, and I thought, you know what? This is the perfect time to film a video about just kind of what I'm currently using for my everyday planner, how I prep it, how I print the pages, and just show you guys kind of my process I'm doing right now. So if you're new to my channel, I'm so happy to have you here and that you stopped by. This channel is for anyone who is looking to get more organized in their finances, productivity, business, and day-to-day life. So let's dive into setting up my May 2022 everyday planner. Now this year I started out with using the Moxie Life Undated 6-month planner. Really have fallen in love with their goal setting system and the categories they use and just kind of the weekly, daily planning system that they had. However, I did find that I really wanted to have some daily pages. So while searching for some alternatives, I did try the printable Moxie Life daily pages. Those were okay, but I stumbled upon something called the Amplify planner. I saw a few people that I follow on Instagram using it, and I really liked all of the options that it included. It reminded me a little bit of Passion Planner, but also gave a lot of flexibility as well. So I'm going to show you guys, I'm using the printable version. You can get the printable version by quarter on their website, which is really awesome. And I will tell you guys how I printed it and fit it to fit in the classic size Happy Planner disc system and everything. So if you want to do that with an Amplify planner or test it out, you absolutely can. So as I said before, the Amplify planner comes in a quarterly printable set. So I bought the second quarter, and I like that because then if you decide you want to change it up, then you don't have like this entire year of a planner printables just sitting there and going to waste. So I went ahead and printed out the month of May, and I did use this planner for the month of April, and I'll just kind of show you guys what it looked like. So here was my monthly spread. I used a plum paper sticker kit for this that I had gotten from Go Wild. And then every week has a weekly spread. So that's one thing I love about this planner is you get monthly, weekly, and daily pages in it, which is awesome because you don't have to use the weekly. As you'll see, I don't always use the weekly, but then you do have it if you like that kind of layout. It is lined, which is super nice too. I know some people love that. Then there's also daily pages. Before every Monday on the left side is a dot grid page, and I will show you guys how I've been using that. And then you have your daily pages, and I really just love decorating. I realized I miss decorating daily pages and just kind of really getting into use my stickers a lot. So for the month of April, I was able to do that quite a bit. So here is, I'm gonna move this stuff over here, guys. Here is how I've been using the dot grid blank page. So this is how I incorporate my Moxie Life. So I have my weekly goals, and I did purchase stickers that are all the different Moxie Life goal setting categories. So personal, work, learning, health and wellness, financial, fun and recreation, family and relationships, spiritual and personal growth, and physical environment. So I laid down each of those stickers, and that way I can kind of just do weekly goals. And this is important to me to be able to do this because it really keeps me focused on kind of my overall yearly goals and monthly goals. So I have found that breaking it down into these smaller bite-sized weekly pieces has been really effective for me to make progress towards those goals that I set at the beginning of the year. So that's how I'm using that dot grid page every week. And then again, here's just my weekly pages. I did have a couple weeks where I kind of just like fell off using the planner, and that's okay. Again, with it being blank, like here you can see that week I didn't use much. You know, sometimes I'll sticker it and then just end up not using it, and that's totally fine. So here is like a blank week I ended up not using, but again, lots of grace and it's okay. So that is what the weekly pages look like. And then here we are today on Friday the 29th. So I've really been loving using this planner for my everyday planner. So I'm going to continue to use it for the month of May. So I went ahead and printed out the month of May monthly page, and then all the other dailies and everything in here. And then what I did is, if you are wanting to print these yourself to make them fit in a Happy Planner, is I resized them down to 95% because they are normally a smaller size. I can't remember the exact size anyways. You don't need to resize them down that much more to get them to fit into the 7 by 9.25 inch classic size. So 95% was the magic number I personally found. So then I trimmed them down with my trimmer here. And again, this is linked down in the description where I list my favorite planning supplies and products. And then I punch the pages with my Happy Planner punch to get to where we are at right now. So I'll put those things aside. So what I will do now is I'm gonna leave the last few pages of April in here just because I'm not quite done with the month yet. So let's see, yeah, we'll leave in all those. Let me grab, did have a little bit of March still in here. Okay, so we're gonna take out this whole section here. And then I've been using these frosted dividers that I got, I think they're from Cloth and Paper, that I got in the last couple of years. I cannot remember for the life of me. So I'm gonna pull the May one out because it is a printable planner. I don't have the month tabs like I did when I was using the Happy Planner or the Moxie Life. So that is one thing it's lacking, but I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna use these frosted monthly planner pages. So I had already printed out my left page of May. Sorry, couldn't see that for a second there. And then, so I'm gonna put this here. And then I'm going to add in, let's see, we'll put that in the middle. And then I'm gonna just start popping these pages in over here. All right, and these are intended to be printed back to back, so just make sure you start on the correct page. You start on the right side and then left, right, left. That's why, as you saw here, I already printed this page because I did it when I was printing my April pages, because Sunday, May 1st, and then this first page of the monthly spread was on there so that I didn't screw up the back-to-back pagination at all. All right, and then same, I did that for June for next month. So here we have my May. I'll take this out just so you can see it a little bit better. Here we have my May monthly spread. A cool thing that I like about this planner is there's so many ways to just kind of customize how you use it, or just don't use certain things. Monthly focus, there's these 5 boxes. So, you know, if there's different things you want to, categories you want to break it up into, there's so many ways you could use these. Then we have just like a checklist here. So I use that for just things I want to accomplish this month. Maybe they're not tied to a date or specific event that I want to do this month. There's also a habit tracker section here if you like to track your habits at all that way. I thought I would use this more than I did last month, but honestly, when I don't come back to my monthly spread very often because I don't put every single thing on it. So I use my daily pages more for habit tracking and that kind of thing too. So I'm not sure if I'm going to use the weekly at all. I do really like it. I'm just trying to figure out the best way to do it. I feel it's a little redundant when I'm using the daily pages and decorating those. And because the week can change and shift, like with appointments and different things as the week progresses, I don't ever come back and update this. So I'm just not sure what I could use this for right now. I've seen people use it for journaling, or I could do a gratitude every single day on here. Maybe I'll try that this month and see, because I do think it would be cool to come back and just have like all my gratitudes for the week in one place. So maybe I'll try that this week. If you guys think of any other ideas what I could use this for, I would love to hear them. And then here you just have like a lined list. So I just really love how they've used all the space really functionally, but yet there's tons of room for customization. And then again, here's that dot grid page. So I will set my goals up on that every week, and I will use my printable stickers that I got from belovedplans for that. And then I will set up my daily pages. So when I've been doing my daily pages, I typically will sit down and sticker them twice a week. So I'll sit down on either Sunday or Monday when I kind of do my planner for the coming week. And I will do usually like Monday through Wednesday or Thursday. Just kind of depends what my week looks like. Typically Wednesday I have time, or Thursday I have time at home in the evening after work or in the morning to sit down and sticker the rest of the week. So then midweek, I'll sit down and sticker Thursday through Sunday or whatever days I hadn't stickered for that week. So I really like that it gives me, it's not every single day I'm stickering because it's pretty easy and quick to sticker these pages. I do a lot of highlighters, as you can see. And then I usually will just pick one sticker book and then use that for each day. So I do like that I'm able to get into a lot of different sticker books maybe ones I haven't used in a while, and just pick and pull a little few stickers here and there. And it's just really fun. That's that creative part of creative planning that I was really missing when I was just doing the weekly spreads. I wasn't really able to sticker as much, and I really found myself missing it and craving it. So this planner, Amplify planner, again, has been working really well for me. I am going to try to post more of my daily pages, like after the day is over. I know I like seeing after the pen and how certain sections worked for people, so I am going to try to do that. But if you guys have ideas, or if you're an Amplify planner user, I would love to know and see how you use yours, because I get so much inspiration from seeing that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm hoping to have more content for you this month now that life is kind of slowing down a little bit after crazy March and April. But thanks for your patience. And if you have any video requests, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. I will see you guys soon.